Welcome to part 2 of our series of videos on essay writing. In this video, we are looking at the introductory paragraph. The introductory paragraph can also be called the introduction. For this video and for all the videos in this series, we are using a sample essay question and a sample essay. The sample essay question is homework for school students harmful or helpful? Here is the sample essay, the introductory paragraph. This paragraph is the first paragraph in our sample essay to answer the question, is homework for school students harmful or helpful? Education is highly valued in most societies. One element of education is homework. Homework is made up of activities that students do at home to practice what is taught at school or to learn information. Many people argue that these exercises are essential for students. However, homework is more harmful than helpful because it can interfere with playtime, homework can cause stress, and finally, it can lead children to develop a habit of cheating. Now let's look more closely at this sample essay introductory paragraph. Let's start with the thesis statement. If you do only one sentence for your introduction, it must be the thesis statement. It is the most important part of the introduction. That's why we're starting with it. So a thesis statement is the answer to the essay question. I'll say that again. The thesis statement is the answer to the essay question. So, in our paragraph here, I have highlighted in yellow the thesis statement. Homework is more harmful than helpful. I hope you've noticed that although I said this is the most important part of the introduction, it should not go first. The next part, and it does follow the thesis statement, is the outline. The outline includes the reasons for your thesis statement. It lists your arguments for your answer to the essay question. And here you can see the outline in green. So we have said in our thesis that homework is more harmful than helpful. And now here you can see our reasons. Because it can interfere with playtime, homework can cause stress, and finally, it can lead children to develop a habit of cheating. If you are going to list your reasons for your thesis as clauses, as I have done here, you need to join them to the thesis statement with the word because. If you were to list 3 things or 3 nouns, you would need to say because of. Here we are giving 3 clauses. Homework can interfere with playtime, homework can cause stress, and homework can lead children to develop a habit of cheating. So that's 3 clauses introduced by the word because to explain our thesis statement. Now let me explain to you the background of the introductory paragraph. This must go before your thesis statement and outline, and in the background we introduce the essay topic. So here is the first sentence in blue of our background. Education is highly valued in most societies. What this does is shows or establishes the importance of your essay. Of course, we cannot say that homework is valued because we are arguing that it is harmful. So, to establish the importance of your essay, we want to show how important education is. Then we need to introduce the topic of homework. So we do it in the next sentence. But we join it to education and we say one element of education is homework. So what we have done is we have now led the reader into the topic. So this sentence leads us into the topic of homework. Often in a background section of an introduction, it's very helpful to give a definition of the topic. And that is what the next sentence does. Homework is made up of activities that students do at home to practice what is taught at school or to learn information. That is our definition. That is those parts are the main parts of the background. If you would like to, you can have a sentence that does briefly show the opposite side of the argument. So in this sentence, many people argue that these exercises are essential for students. Now, make sure this belongs to other people. It does not belong to you as the writer of this essay because your thesis is that homework is harmful. And notice that we have used the word however to help link the other side to the contrast of your thesis. If you follow these sections, you will always have an excellent introduction. A background, a thesis, and an outline. Thank you.